Welcome. If you want to enable or disable light effects in your Huawei SoundJoy, of course, we are talking about this LED circle right here. So what you have to do? At the first, you have to open the Huawei AI Live application. Next, select your device. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, we are connected, so we can go for the light effects. As you can see, it's currently enabled, so the light effect will play along with the music. So here you can enable or disable this option, and take a look. I'm gonna play something on YouTube Music. We can get, like, for example, this one. As you can see, the lights is working. When I'm gonna disable this option, it disappears, and we can switch for this one. The lights are turned off. I'm gonna turn it on back because I like this theme of the lights. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.